Good morning everyone, my name is Darren Dingad. This is my Watashi no Inaichi. Kyo wa asa shichuji ni okimashita. Today I woke up 7 a.m. in the morning. Asagohan o tabetai. Shower o abitai. How migaitai. Fuku wa kimashita. I ate breakfast, take a shower, brush my teeth, and wore my clothes. Watashi wa gozen 8 時に学校に通い始めました. At 8 a.m. I started to go to school. 午前10時からジョグが始めました. At 10 a.m. we started our class. 午後1時に昼食を食べました. At 1 p.m. I ate my lunch. 午後7時に私たちは家に帰り始めました. At 7 p.m. we started to go home. 夜11時に寝ます. 11 p.m. I sleep. こして私の1日は終わります. And that is how my day ends. Thank you for watching.